Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us now. I had to kind of check my ears earlier today. Was I really hearing rain?
Oh, yeah.
And now we have a weather impact alert for tomorrow.
And that breeze that's blowing out there is moving them quickly. So they come at you quick, but they leave pretty quick. And I think tomorrow we're going to do it again. But it's in the middle of the afternoon and the beginning of the evening commute. And then we're going to do it again on Saturday. So as a result, we have a weather impact alert. No severe weather, but it's going to be inconvenient. So let's start there. Help you plan your Friday into your weekend. Friday and Saturday now, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. is when we have our weather impact alert. That's our way here at 10 Tampa Bay of giving you a heads up of when you need to pay attention to the weather. This is not a severe weather threat. This is an inconvenience. So if you have outdoor plans, especially on Saturday, the middle part of the day, we're going to have some passing showers through about 5 o'clock with a couple lingering through 7. Not a lot. There's some moisture over on the East Coast. This is what will happen. In the morning, it'll be over here, and then in the afternoon, it moves over here, just like what we saw today. Now, the extra moisture that you see down south, that's the tropical kind of niche to this, if you will. We are watching this wave coming off of Africa here. Later this week, it could be developing, or this weekend and the next week. And then by the middle of next week, could be in this area. Only a 20% chance, okay? Let's focus on this. I mean, we're just getting rid of those storms. They go away. And then we get this, right? But here's the thing. When it's moving over land, it's not going to develop. But we may get a weak low develop as it's pulling off towards the north and the west. And all that will really do is enhance our rain a little bit. Here's the GFS model. You can see it here by tomorrow afternoon. There's Saturday afternoon. You see the extra moisture coming through? And then by Sunday, that extra moisture is up to the north. We'll still see a few showers on Sunday, but it just not quite the coverage, okay? Outside right now, it's really, have you been outside this evening? Especially you get up northern Pasco, Hernando, Citrus. My buddy Dan up in Spring Hill, he's like, it is unbelievable. 73 in Brooksville with a breeze, with lower humidity. Most areas lower to mid 70s. Dew points in the 60s. That's not super low, but that is comfortable for us because we're used to those muggy mid 70s. And in fact, the difference between now and this time 24 hours ago, 4 degrees. That's a noticeable drop in the humidity out there. So yes, it feels good. Now enjoy it. Tomorrow it's great with the breeze and those showers in the afternoon. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it doesn't come back terribly, but a dew point is 73. That's higher humidity. You're going to feel the difference by the time we get to Monday and Tuesday. Now, no rain out there right now. We'll stay dry overnight. This is the forecast model through tomorrow morning. Morning commute looks great. Watch this around 1 o'clock. Pop-up showers and a couple storms. 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock, it's almost all done. Friday night plans look pretty good. My wife keeps saying, it's going to rain at 7 o'clock. I don't think it's going to rain at 7 o'clock. I think it's over by that time, okay? So all of your plans look good. We'll see. Is Debbie right? She's always right. What am I talking? I should know. Right? I should listen and then forecast rain at 7. But look, here's the deal. The heaviest rain is going to be over on the East Coast. As you work your way towards our coast, it thins out a little bit. This is rainfall through the weekend, but it's going to rain, I think, at least scattered showers there all next week. Now the wind, a little breezy out there, right? We will keep that again tomorrow. This is tomorrow morning, 5 to 10 in the morning with gusts in the teens. By the afternoon, gusts in the upper 20s to near 30, 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. Tomorrow night, breezy, but not as breezy. And then tomorrow, Saturday afternoon, same deal. Sunday, this goes away. So Friday, Saturday, keep those northeast to east breezes and watch the bridges because there is a little bit bumpy if you've got some high-profile vehicles out there on the bridge. There's your forecast for tomorrow. How about mid-80s? That's nice. There's the moisture moving away, or the Imelda. In fact, Imelda isn't actually here. They're not even updating anymore. But I wanted to show you where all the warm water is. And it's really warm still in the Gulf and the Western Caribbean. So we're going to keep an eye on it. These are the temperature anomalies. We're not expecting much in the way of development anytime soon. We're going to watch those two areas. I'm not concerned about either of them at this point, but the one out in the Atlantic could be near Puerto Rico by this time next week. Okay, that's one that we want to watch. There's the 7-day forecast. You can see those red stripes. Those are our weather impact alerts for the afternoon on Friday and Saturday. Still a few showers around on Sunday, but most of that rain is to the north.